Hi guys, in this video we talk about Huawei Nova 12 Ultra versus Xiaomi 14 Pro. The Huawei Nova 12 Ultra launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $700. Xiaomi 14 Pro launched on November 2023 with a price tag of $800. The body dimensions: Huawei Nova 12 Ultra, height 6.42 inches, width 2.95 inches, thickness 7.7 mm. The Xiaomi 14 Pro dimensions: height 6.35 inches, width 2.96 inches, thickness 8.5 mm. The weight of these devices: the Nova 12 Ultra 198 gram and the Xiaomi 14 Pro 223 gram. The Huawei Nova 12 Ultra build front glass and back silicone polymer back and aluminium frame. The Xiaomi 14 Pro front and back glass and titanium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIMs and nano SIM card supported. The display type: the Huawei Nova 12 Ultra comes with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type, and the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with LTPO AMOLED 68 billion color screen type. The screen size: Huawei Nova 12 Ultra comes with 6.76 inches screen, the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 6.73 inches screen, and the Huawei Nova 12 Ultra comes with 1.5K screen resolution. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 2K screen resolution. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 522 ppi density and the Huawei Nova 12 Ultra 449 ppi density. The both mobile come with 120Hz refresh rate and the screen to body ratio: Huawei Nova 12 Ultra comes with 89% screen to body ratio. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 89.6% screen to body ratio. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with Xiaomi Longjing glass protection and the Huawei Nova 12 Ultra comes with Huawei Cooling Glass 2. Huawei Nova 12 Ultra comes with 3000 nits peak of brightness and the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 3000 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Huawei Nova 12 Ultra comes with dual camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide and 8 megapixel ultra wide, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto with the Leica lens, and it's record 8K 30 fps video. And the front camera: the Huawei Nova 12 Ultra comes with dual selfie cameras, 60 megapixel and 8 megapixel selfie camera, and it's record 4K 30 fps video. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera and it's record 4K 60 fps video. The platform: Huawei Nova 12 Ultra comes with octa-core CPU, Titan Big, and the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with octa-core CPU, Cortex X4. Huawei Nova 12 Ultra comes with Kirin 9000 S7nm chipset. The Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The Huawei Nova 12 Ultra comes with Maloon 910 GPU and the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with Adreno 750 GPU. And the operating system: Huawei Nova 12 Ultra comes with Harmony OS 4.0 and the Xiaomi 14 Pro Android 14 HyperOS. The memory setup: the both mobile come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and the storage 256GB, 512GB and 1TB. No SD card support in both mobiles. The battery setup: Huawei Nova 12 Ultra comes with 4600 mAh battery and the Xiaomi 14 Pro comes with 4880 mAh battery, and Huawei Nova 12 Ultra supported 100 watt fast charging and the Xiaomi 14 Pro 120 watt fast charging support, and Xiaomi 14 Pro support 50 watt wireless charging, and it comes with 5G network support. The common and feature is same, and the result of these devices: the Xiaomi 14 Pro got 25 points and the Huawei Nova 12 Ultra got 19 points.